Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta. Let's try to understand how to generate tree map in Tableau. For this, we will go in the canvas of Tableau. Now here, in case of Tableau, the variables have been divided into two parts. This is the place where we get the dimensions, basically which are the categorical variables. And this is the measures, continuous variable. Measures are continuous variable. Now I'll pick up one categorical variable that is from dimension and one continuous variable from measure. So I'll pick up state from here and sales from here. For the multiple selections of the variable, you should use the control tab on your keyboard. Click on it, drag it and drop it in the plain canvas. Now change this chart type to tree map. And you've got the results. You can click on show me. So the color represents here the sales. The dark red color represents the maximum sales and the orange color represents the less sales. I can change this. I can plot the graph according to the profit. And now you can see the dark blue color indicates the profit. It is the business which is making the profit in California. And here pink color represents the losses. Now if I want to represent anything in these boxes, I'll pick from here profit and drop it in the label and you will get the profit. Then I'll pick up the quantity from here and drop it in the label. It will give me the quantity. I can also pick up the discount from here and drop it in the label and it will give me the discount. Now this is the summation of the discount which we don't want. We want the average discount which is given. So you can click here. Now you can hover your mouse in each square and you will get the details of it. So this is a California state. The size of this rectangle represents the sales, profit, and discount. So you can see here the details which are given: California, average discount, profit, quantity, and sales. Now if I want to include one more categorical variable, I'll pick up segment from here and I'll drop it in the rows. And you can see we are having three heat maps according to the consumer, corporate, home office. Same thing, I can represent according to the columns also. I can include one more categorical variable if I want. I will pick up from here shipping mode and drop it in the rows. So it will give me all the detailing. But definitely the chart will become clumsy. So depending upon your requirement, how many parameters are to be introduced, it is to be decided by you. So for more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I've already uploaded many videos of Tableau. Please don't forget to press the like button.